Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 50, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is a confocal microscope? Does anyone know? Anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, so let me go ahead and answer that question. So, what is a confocal microscope? Well, a confocal microscope is also called, by the way, a wide field fluorescent microscope, and it is a specialized form of fluorescent microscopes that use particular optical components to generate high-resolution images of materials that are, of course, stained with fluorescent probes. Now, these microscopes are a type of scanning microscope. Now, if you're curious if that sounds familiar, it should, because we talked about one of these types of scanning microscopes. That was the SEM, remember? The scanning electron microscope? Well, there's also another one that could be in the same class along with these confocal microscopes, and that's the SPM. Now, an SPM is a scanning probe microscope, which I could talk about in a future video and may do so in next season. That being Season 4. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Did you know that pelicans consumed around 1/3 of their body weight in a single meal? Yes, you heard me right. Pelicans, those birds that are known that live on the coast, they consume around about 1/3 of their body weight in just one meal. Wow. Pretty interesting to think about. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of the Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that'll be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye.